Hey chicks, so today I'm going to be shampooing my sew-in. This hair is from Onyx. It's called Onyx Legacy, something new. I got a partial sew-in in right now. Miss Kristen, Slay Stylist, installed this for me. Check her out. She is on Facebook and Instagram, Kristen Eaton. So anyway, today's gonna be my first shampoo. She installed this for me about a week and a half ago. Like I said, I got my leave out and everything, but my head's a little itchy and flaky. So we're gonna wash it and see what the outcome is. So guys, I'm shampooing this hair. As you can see, my hands are gliding straight through, no tangles or anything. I'm using Remi Hair Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. And look at this. Even my leave out, look at that. Fingers just flowing right through. This is an awesome shampoo. I love it. I use it for my hair. A lot of my natural clients works really well as far as smoothing the hair out and being able to shampoo and manipulate the scalp really well. So Remi Hair Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. And again, this hair is Onyx Legacy. And I'll be back.
You make it pop. You out here baking hot like Megan on my bacon when it pop. Hey, baby, you look good, you look gorgeous. This right here, your city, I'm a tourist. I know I'm a catch, I'm a swordfish. Got me on your hook, on your chorus. Baby, I look good, I look handsome. Somebody gon' take me for ransom. Everybody around me was dancing.